Hey YouTube, want to learn how to detail your car like a pro? Well, stay tuned. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to shampoo and extract your car's seats and carpets, step by step. So I'm on the driver's side of a 2003 Dodge Caravan. I bought this van to convert to my detail setup, which I'll be showing in a couple other videos. The car is relatively clean, but I wanted to give it once over, being a detailer's own vehicle. So I'll start with the vacuum. I'm using the Beast 5.5 wet dry vac. It's one of the most powerful portable vacuums you can get. I'll put some links in the description to all the items that I'm using today. Using my trusty carpet brush to agitate, get the dust and deep down embedded dirt out. It makes short work with this powerful vacuum. I've got a solution of 5-to-1 Carpet Bomber, P&S product. It really works well to loosen up and release any of the dirt that's stuck in the carpet. Again, now that I've switched over to wet, I'm agitating with the carpet brush. You could use a drill brush or a hand brush at this point. The secret is agitation. And here I'm using the Hoover Carpet Master Pro. It's meant for residential carpets, but it does a great job with the handheld accessories for cars. I've done many details with it and love this machine. The machine came with a fine 1-inch wide extractor tip, which I find works really well to get in all the crevices where a big wand can't fit. Gets out all the deep embedded spills and liquids and stuff. Switching over to seats, again agitating with a carpet brush and using my 5.5 amp vacuum cleaner. These are velvety carpeted or upholstered seats. It's a 2003 Dodge Caravan with about 100,000 kilometers on it. So it's an older vehicle, but not too much mileage on it. Pre-soaking with more Carpet Bomber. And for the heavier soil spots, I'm adding an APC. This is Chemical Guy's All Clean product, diluted 20-to-1. Just add a little bit more cleaning power, to say. Again, agitation's key. I'm using a cordless drill brush. There's almost 20 years of sweat and spilled coffee and who knows what else in these seats. Needs a little more liquid. Seats were pretty dirty. It took multiple passes and further attempts to finally get everything out. As you can see, there's quite a bit of spilled coffee or hot chocolate embedded into the seats. Guys, if you like what you see and you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It just empowers me to continue on and create more videos and content for you. Some of my shorts have received 20,000 views in a few hours, so I know there's a lot of interest out there for this kind of stuff. There's the money shot. Guys, I wasn't completely satisfied, so I decided to do this again. Applying more APC and carpet cleaner, more agitation. You'll see that there's still a lot more yet to come out of the seat. I'm hitting it more aggressively with the brush, as you can see. This is the case sometimes in detailing. When you get over one part and you're not completely satisfied with it, you just got to do it again. It's the whole key to detailing, is the fine details. Getting every nook and cranny, every last piece of garbage out, a piece of dirt and grease, getting it out of the upholstery or whatever you happen to be cleaning. I think I've turned the speed up on the drill too here. You can see a lot more foam action happening. Yeah, this is the second round. Look what's coming out. Again, this is my own vehicle. It's not a customer's. I spend a lot more time on my own vehicles, going over every piece, multiple times until it's perfect. If you're at the job site and have a customer and other customers waiting, efficiency is key. Sometimes you rush. Sometimes you got to you have to calculate what's the biggest bang for your buck. What is going to be the biggest improvement on a car in a set amount of time. But when you're working on your own car, you kind of got endless time. But needless to say, I was very happy with the results. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you and see you next time.